Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Insight 360. Today's video is all about a dream that every newcomer has, Canadian citizenship. Getting citizenship usually takes years, but did you know there are smart steps you can follow to become a citizen faster? Stay with me till the end because I will share the exact process, requirements, and some secret tips to save time. Part 1. Basic Eligibility. To apply for Canadian citizenship, you must 1. Be a permanent resident of Canada. 2. Have lived in Canada for at least 3 years in the last 5 years. 3. File your taxes properly if required. 4. Pass the citizenship test. 5. Show English or French language ability for ages 18 to 54. These are the basic requirements. Now let's talk about how you can fast-track the process. Part 2. How to save time. Many people waste time because they don't count their physical presence days correctly. Tips. Use the official Government of Canada physical presence calculator before applying. If you were in Canada before becoming PR, as a student, worker, or refugee, half of that time also counts, up to 1 year. Always renew your PR card on time to avoid delays. Part 3. Citizenship Test and Language Proof. To avoid delays, prepare for the citizenship test in advance. The test covers Canadian history, rights, responsibilities, and laws. For language proof, you can show IELTS or CELPIP results or certificates from Canadian schools and colleges. Preparing early ensures there are no extra delays in your application process. Part 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Most delays happen because of small mistakes, such as submitting incomplete documents, forgetting to sign forms, not paying the correct fee, missing tax filing records. Always double-check your documents before submitting. Part 5. Fast-track options. If you serve in the Canadian Armed Forces, there is a special fast-track citizenship program. Also, applying online instead of a paper application usually gets processed faster. So friends, if you want Canadian citizenship faster, follow these steps carefully. Plan early, count your days correctly, prepare for the test, and avoid mistakes. This way, you can save time and become a Canadian citizen sooner. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Canada Insight 360. See you in the next video.